it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with something new, something different. So, as I mentioned earlier on, well, when you're in the comment section, the more somebody the more different people comment and say if I react to a song, I will. All right? So when one person spam the comment section, I'm going to ignore you. I very much so ignore your wrath. But we have a new way now. Easier way of doing it. When a person comment and say react to such and such song, only drop a like or drop a comment under that so we can see it, how much people want that reaction there. This is why we're here today. Skxlly Dxnn, Shottas. Skxlly Dxnn, never heard of this artist. First me I hear of it. But I'm going to show you all we forward to this artist now. So, one person, noboy_1, big up yourself. You comment and say react to Skxlly Dxnn, Shottas. And then Asharni says for real it bad. Alright? Asharni says for real it bad. This have seven likes on it. You see it? So we are gonna react to this and hear where the G have to say. Yeah? You are gonna react to this right now and hear where the G have to say.
Pull up.
So let's go. Skxlly Dxnn. So make sure say you drop a like on that person that comment. We react to this song. We say react to this song when you want here.
We don't have a boost of bomb by ass class thing for talk about.
Shottas, yeah.
After your police friend try to kill me off last night, I killed off 7 of my friend then. 7 man were killed for putting you in a cover. You come and talk about talk. You have a bomb class thing we're going to talk for gun them.
Run the streets.
Caution.
Them no sound afraid of. Oh, team self and running down a wave a lot. Shut up, fire up on anything what the laser done.
Waiting, we have time for waste. We are trying to beat the system.
Them no sound afraid of. Move do it myself and run him down a wave a lot. Shut up.
Them no say we not afraid of. Them no say we not afraid of apps. No, we do it myself and run him down and wave a lass. It take a bad man for run up on you with a lass and chop out your face, dog. Up close and personal. Know that.
Them no sound afraid of.
No.
Move do it myself and run him down a wave a lot. Shut up, fire up on anything with the laser spot. Execution for anything with favor rat. Brain a job face fuck up look like when Kane mash move.
Wait.
Move do it myself and run him down a wave a lot. Shut up, fire up on anything with the laser spot. Execution for anything with favor rat. Brain a
Execution for anything with favor rat. Ratty gang. Skeng them. I skeng them attack? I ratty gang him attack people? Comment section, let me know what going on. Come in and know. Like me say the first me forward across this artist, you know. You see me? Big up to noboy_1. First me forward again. We go again. And perhaps using this video, big up production team.
Right, call me no father. We don't have a boost of bomb by ass class thing for talk about. After your police
Bombo class. Me like that. That's how they thumbnail.
7 man were killed for putting you in a cover. You come and talk about talk. You have a bomb class thing we're going to talk.
Big up Spragga.
Run the streets.
Caution.
Infamous line from Shottas.
Oh, team self and run him down a wave a lot. Shut up, fire up on anything with the laser done.
Waiting, we have time for waste. We are trying to beat the system.
Them no sound afraid of.
No.
Move do it myself and run him down a wave a lot.
Dead.
Shut up, fire up on anything with the laser spot. Execution for anything with favor rat. Brain a job face fuck up look like when Kane mash move.
Face fuck up and look like when Kane mash. You never look on when when Kane mash? Even when a piece of cane in the road and car drive over it. You say it look mash out?
Execution for anything with favor rat. Brain a job face fuck up look like when Kane mash move. Wave a Glock and tear a man you know one never pay for that. St. Thomas the
Wave a Glock and tear a man you know one never pay for that. Bombo clad binds. Oh, yourself and hold them there. Them sound like them connect. Where say them sound like them connect? One more. Binds. Go on the connect for sure.
up on anything with the laser spot. Execution for anything with favor fuck up look like when Kane a mash. Me wave a Glock and tear man, you know I never pay for that. St. Thomas the gun them stack up like say at the baker shop, man I take back shot. Hey tan body you know me never fear no man if you bring your gang. Pull up on my weight until the place collapse.
If you bring your gang, but pull up bomb and wait until the place collapse. So if I one I know or two I know, buys. If I your gang, no say a bomber drop. Bomber drop.
Dear man, you know I never pay for that. St. Thomas the gun them stack up like say at the baker shop, man I take back shot. Hey tan body you know me never fear no man if you bring your gang. Pull up on my weight until the place collapse. The JAMAICA'S shot. Wake up on my neighbor fast. Head so sick, fully dark, me even fear no man. Me ram the clip and bust head and then me broke your hand. Boy,
me ram the clip, bust it and then me broke your hand. What?
Pull up on my weight until
how
the
this
place
artist,
collapse.
man?
The JAMAICA'S shot. Wake up on my neighbor fast. Head so sick, fully dark, me even fear no man. Me ram the clip and bust head and then me broke your hand. Boy, the dandy shandy, bust you out 30 fast.
Boy, I do dandy shandy. Where's my site?
My
play sightings.
Head so sick, fully dark, me even fear no man. Me ram the clip and bust head and then me broke your hand. Boy, the dandy shandy, bust you out 30 fast. Cali Pugga bust it fast. Them a fool, we a killer dog. Them a fool, we a killer dog. Hypothetic bust head and find your belt in psycho settings. Them nobody, only thing them do a child domestic liquor boy.
Wait. What him saying forward from earlier on? St. Thomas? Him big up St. Thomas. Him say St. Thomas, where the gun them round like when like a baker shop or something like that. Him say. Not the first verse. And St. Thomas artist is cause this sound like a St. Thomas flow. You know St. Thomas flow different, right? St. Thomas flow different from a Mobile flow. You have Skxlly with the St. Thomas flow. You have Retical. You have a next youth where when I say on TikTok, we have mash up TikTok where like a freestyle, everything where any red way type in freestyle about it and sick youth. Forgot him name though. But yo, the man chipping on different flow, brother. Binds. So like he connect. Where's the one more? Binds. Let's go.
Them a fool, we a killer da. Hypothetic bust head and find your belt in psycho settings. Them nobody, only thing them do a child domestic liquor boy in the size I'm not there. Broad daylight rifle go spin SK bust right to your face, man.
Broad daylight rifle go spin SK bust to your Binds. Where's the son like he connect? Binds. Now wanna connect. Good.
Hypothetic bust head and find your belt in psycho settings. Them nobody, only thing them do a child domestic liquor boy in the size I'm not there.
Listen up, Patia.
Broad daylight rifle go spin SK bust right to your face, man.
Broad daylight rifle a travel go to Spain, brother. Broad daylight rifle go Spain.
Stick liquor boy in the size I'm not there. Broad daylight rifle go Spain SK bust right to your face. Member who go on the place, do not make my turn on the key. Ready for war, no see nobody brave. See them attack, some just turn up PPS. Still a fear bring the 40 when me touch panel and kill them heartless. Fuck with my brain shot in a face, can't heal that I go take couple days. My tick in a waist when me die in my place. Ready for gun yam them food when I dinner no share. Get a brand new
Ready for gun yam them food when I dinner no share. Me not about no box lunch, youth. Nah. Binds. Hey, let's go.
Let's fuck with my brain shot in a face, can't heal that I go take couple days. My tick in a waist when me die in my place. Ready for gun yam them food when I dinner no share. Get a brand new shoes, I'ma go live by your gate. 𝐑𝐄𝐀 them loose. Flavor puppy tail.
Get a brand new shoes and go live where your gate, brother. We are bleached by you. Figure your binds. Wait, so them two them is hard. The one I must connect. Binds.
Killer them heartless. Fuck with my brain shot in a face, can't heal that I go take couple days. My tick in a waist when me die in my place. Ready for gun yam them food when I dinner no share. Get a brand new shoes, I'ma go live by your gate. 𝐑𝐄𝐀 them loose. Flavor puppy tail.
The HK them loose and favor puppy tail. No binds.
A brand new shoes, I'ma go live by your gate. 𝐑𝐄𝐀 them loose. Flavor puppy tail. She Glock broke bone and shake up rib cage. Jet sick, no fuck with brain too insane. Kel text and brain in space, shaking place, basing tear my dog.
Bumbo claw binds. What? How would this suit ya? Who this suit? You see why it's important to like the person comment who comments if he react to a certain artist. It is sang bad to uno. If one person put the comment and say you react to such and such, I react to such, man. And if only just go out in the comment and like it, instead of putting the same comment again, I will see it. Binds!
For gun yam them food, when I didn't no share. Get a brand new shoes, I'm gonna live by your gate. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 them loose. Favor puppy tail. Cheap Glock broke bone and shake up rib cage. Jet sick, no fuck with brain too insane. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 brain in space, shaking place, blazing tear. Man talk for faint with tear shot, rearrange in face. No boy no play with me. Gunman shot to fire in a blazing speed. Gunshot kill it, make it pace it big. Yes, tell them a trouble with baby clip. You want see how the yellow pine tear him skin. Badness, but come, I could change the shift. Lone darkness, that's why I'm still with them. No sound afraid of ops. Mood tweet myself and run him down a wave a lot. Shot a fire upon anything with the laser spot. Execution for anything with favor rat. Brain a job face, fuck up look like when Kane a mash my wave a Glock and tear. Man, you know I never pay for that. St. Thomas the gun them stack up like say at the baker shop. Man, I take back shot. Head and body, you know I never fear no man if you bring your gang. Pull up on my weight until the place collapse. The Jacob shot. Wake up on my neighbor fast. Head so sick, fully dark, me even fear no man. Me ram the clip and bust head and then me broke your hand. Boy, the dan the shandy. But the out dirty fast. Cali pugger but it fast. Them a fool away a killer dog. Fool away a killer dog.
Yeah, yeah, man. Max, got it.
I put the sick but you're not fine a virgin cycle seconds. Them no bounty how you think them do outside the domestic liquor boy and the size of not here.
Binds! 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 Lord! Whoa! 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 You look bad. You look bad, you know? Yeah, man, I know, man. I'm bad, man. Skxlly Dxnn, big up yourself, G. You're bad, bro. I can't keep... I have to keep repeating. You see why it is important to like the person comment who say, yo, react to such and such artist? That is what lead me here. If you don't spam the comment section, I go see it, but I not go see it. I don't like it, brother. I don't like it, brother. Yo, Skxlly, big up yourself. Production team, our La Familia Records. I think that was at the start. La Familia Records, big up yourself, bro. Caution Beats, big up also. Yo, what can I say? Binds! Alright, we're not getting more binds. We're not getting enough binds already. Hear me I say, big up on yourself. Listen, I'm going to leave the one there right now. Me gone.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip corner.